Finding the perfect gift for mom is tough. Charm bracelets are a classic choice, but honestly, there's a lot of cheap junk out there online. I didn't want you to buy something that turns her wrist green, so I actually picked up the 5 most popular charm options for moms, ranging from simple beads to full tennis bracelets, to see which ones are actually worth gifting. Let's get into it. Product number 1, Mom Rose Flower Dangle Charm. I started with this rose flower dangle charm. When I first took it out of the package, the rose gold color really popped. It's bright and shiny. It is made of copper, not solid silver, so it feels a little lighter in the hand than some of the high-end stuff, but it doesn't feel flimsy. I tested it on a standard Pandora snake chain, and it slid right on without getting stuck, which is a huge plus if your mom already has a bracelet started. The dangling heart adds a nice bit of movement on the wrist. Since it is copper, you have to be careful about water exposure. But for the price, the detail on the rose is surprisingly crisp. If you are working with a tight budget but want a cute, warm-toned addition to her existing collection, this is a solid pick. Product number 2, Long Luck 925 Sterling Silver Charm. Moving on to this bead from Long Luck. Right away, you can feel the difference in quality because this one is stamped 925 sterling silver. It has that specific, cool weight to it that real silver has, which just feels more expensive. I looked closely at the cubic zirconia stones under a desk light, and they actually sparkle. They don't look like dull plastic or cloudy glass. If your mom has sensitive skin like mine does, this is a much safer bet than the cheaper base metals. It fit perfectly on the European-style bracelets I tried it with, sitting flush against the other beads. This is the verdict for the person who wants that high-end silver look and safety for sensitive skin, but doesn't want to pay the massive markup you see at the mall jewelry stores. Product number 3, Anmer's Silver Charm. Then I checked out this heart dangle from Anmer's. This one is interesting because it's a sterling silver alloy mixed with a bit of copper. Holding it, it feels very durable, like it can take some daily wear and tear without bending or snapping the dangle loop. The finish is super shiny. I even used the little polishing cloth it came with, and it really gleams. It's completely nickel-free, which is great to avoid any irritation. I slid it onto a few different necklaces and bracelets, and it looked seamless, just like the original branded charms. The mom script is clear and doesn't look smudged. If you are looking for something that balances durability with that classic silver shine, and you want something that comes with a nice little pouch for gifting, this one handles everyday wear really well. Product number 4, JIAYIQI Mother Sister Daughter Wife Charms. Now this JIAYIQI charm caught my eye immediately because of the two-tone design. You've got the sterling silver base and then that rose gold plating on the heart element. It really stands out on a wrist when you mix it with plain silver beads. The best mom inscription is small, but it's readable, which makes it feel really personal and sweet. I checked the whole size, and it fits everything from Pandora to troll beads without an issue. The cubic zirconia adds just enough bling without looking tacky. I think this is the best option if you want a sentimental piece that tells her exactly how you feel. Plus, since it mixes silver and rose gold, it will match whatever other jewelry she happens to be wearing that day, which takes the guesswork out of styling it for her. Product number 5, Morgan & Paige Diamond Accent Tennis Bracelet. Finally, we have something different, the Morgan & Page Tennis Bracelet. Unlike the others, this isn't just a bead, it is a complete bracelet with a mom charm already attached. When I put this on, the double latch closure felt very secure. I wasn't worried about it unclasping and falling off. It's bronze-plated with 18-karat gold, and the S-link chain gives it a really flexible, fluid feel on the wrist. It's definitely dressier than a standard charm bracelet. The diamond accents are subtle, but they catch the light nicely. If your mom doesn't already have a charm bracelet to build on, do not buy her a loose bead, get her this. It is the perfect standalone gift that looks expensive right out of the box and is ready to wear immediately. Ideally, one of these will be the right fit for your mom's style. I've dropped links to all 5 in the description below so you can check the current prices and see more close-up pictures of the details. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.